In today's video, we will see complete tutorial of MS Word. In this video, we will cover all the basics as well as some of the advanced features. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. Whenever we will open Microsoft Word, it will look something like this. In the very beginning, we have got blank document and over here we have got templates, means more templates. We will click on more templates and over here we get to see calendar, resume, make a list, newsletter and so on. We will start with blank document. We will click over here and we'll click on create. And our blank Word document is just in front of us. Whenever we will type something, it will appear over here. Hi, how are you? I'll delete this. I'll type a paragraph over here which will be random and it will be just for example. Plus or equal to rand, bracket open, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. So our example paragraph is over here. On left hand side, right hand side, on the top and in the bottom, we can see some space. These are called margins. We can increase or decrease these margins as per our requirement or as per our choice. In the very beginning, we will be going to layout. Over here, we get the option of size. We mostly use A4 sheet or just say A4 sheet is commonly used everywhere. So here we get many options as A4, A5, B5, A3 and so on. Even your legal paper is over here. Name of all the paper sizes are mentioned over here along with their dimensions. So you can select your desired size. I'll select A4. Over here we get the option of orientation. Means your page will be in portrait mode or landscape mode. Currently it's in portrait mode. When I'll select landscape, it got converted in landscape mode. Means orientation of our document got converted or got changed. We will keep it portrait. On the extreme left hand side, we get the option of margins. Normal, narrow, moderate, wide and mirrored. If you want to go ahead with narrow, you can select this and the margins from left, right, top and bottom will decrease. These are the same margins regarding which we talked in the very beginning of the video. I'll go to margins once again and from here I'll select custom margins. From here we can increase or decrease the margins of the page from top, bottom, left, right and over here we get to see gutter. Now what is gutter? Suppose we are creating or writing a book which is supposed to be binded either from left or top side. And in this case we need to manage the space from left or top. So gutter selection will do it for you. Currently it's in the left side. I'll increase the size and you'll notice some space over here. If I'll select top, the space will be shifted to top part of the page. Once done with this, you have to do OK and the space from top is visible now. Means our document is ready to be binded now. I'll undo this. Columns. Over here we get to see the option of columns. 1, 2, 3, left, right and over here we have got option of more columns. If I select 2, my document got divided in 2 columns. Currently the matter on page is very less, so we are able to see only 1 column. I'll increase this. I'll select all, Ctrl A, Ctrl C and I'll paste over here. Now I'll go to columns and we'll do it 2 columns. So our data got divided in 2 columns. When I'll select 3, it will be divided in 3 columns. I'll click over here on the drop down and we'll go to more columns. From here we can increase the number of columns as per our requirement or as per our choice and we'll have to do OK. I'll undo this. Over here we have got a single page, page 1 of 1 and total words are 478. I'll delete something from here. So I want just this much of matter in my first page. Now I want to insert one more page just below this. So I'm not going to hit enter again and again to insert the new page. I'll go in insert, pages and over here I'll select blank page. And my second page got inserted over here very easily. I'll go to top. In case I want to insert another page just above this, I'll have to go in pages once again and we'll have to select blank page. Our page was over here and a new page got inserted or cover page got inserted just above this. I'll undo this. In case you want to insert another page just below this, you can select page break also and the new page will be inserted just below this. I'll undo this. I'll go to top. I have got my text or my matter over here and I want to change the alignment. So I'll select this, Ctrl A, we'll go to home and over here we get the option of alignment. If you want, you can use shortcut also. Ctrl R and all the things will be aligned in right. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Command instead of Control. Ctrl L and it got shifted in left side. Ctrl E for center alignment and Ctrl J for justify. Means the document will be adjusted from both the sides. Ctrl L for left alignment, Ctrl R for right alignment, Ctrl E for center alignment, Ctrl J to justify. But in case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Command instead of Control. This is my first paragraph. I'll give some space over here. Now I want to insert some pointers over here or just say I want to insert a list. I'll type something over here, January. I'll click in the very beginning of the text. We'll go to home and over here in the center, we get the option of bullets. Many bullets are over here, means bullet library is over here. In case you want to define new bullet, you'll have to click over here and you can define bullet as per your choice. Font, bullet, and the third one is picture. Means you can use your pictures also as bullets. I'll select a bullet from here and we'll do OK. In case you want to change the color of bullets, it can also be done. Define new bullet, bullet, font, and color selection can be done from here. I'll select a blue color and we'll do OK. OK. So earlier our bullet was in red color, now it got changed in blue. Now I have to insert name of second month, so I'll hit enter and we'll start typing. No need to insert bullet again. Suppose I want to insert sublist under February, I'll have to hit over here and we'll press backspace. In case you are using MacBook, you'll have to press delete. A, I'll click over here, just before A will come in the center where we get the option of numbers. Even we can select A, B, C. So I'll select this 1, 2, 3. A, I'll hit enter, it will be B, we'll hit enter again, it will be C. And it will keep on going in the same way. In case you want to put more space between two lines, you'll have to select your data and we'll have to click over here in the center. These are line spaces. Currently it's 1. Over here we get more options. I'll do it 2 and the space got increased. I'll click over here once again. Over here we get option of line spacing options. I'll click over here and now we can increase line space as per our choice. Once we are done, we will have to click on OK. From here you can increase your indent and from here you can decrease your indent. I'll click over here. Nothing happened because all the things are in left. I'll click over here and it shifted to right side. I'll undo this. Over here we get option of style panes. We can click over here. We can select any style pane as per our requirement or as per our choice. You can see the changes on the left hand side of the page. From here also it can be done. I'll close this and we'll undo it. Dictate. This is one of the most powerful tools of Word. In case you don't want to type anything manually, you will have to click over here on dictate and your mic will be on. Whatever you will say, it will get typed automatically. There might be minor mistakes which can be changed later on. But believe me, you will be very comfortable doing this. Means you will be very comfortable typing your big documents with this dictate. Once done, you will have to click on stop diction and your mic will be off and it will stop typing. I'll close the mic and will undo this. I'll delete this. Now I want to make something bold. For an example, the first word video. So I'll have to select it manually. And when we select manually, possibilities are there that we select less things or more things. So we are not going to select it manually one by one. Whatever word we want to select, we will have to double click over there and the word will be selected. Now we can make it bold. Even you can use the shortcut Ctrl B or Command B for the Mac users. I'll undo this. In case you want to select the whole paragraph, you'll have to click thrice, means 3 times, and whole paragraph got selected. We can select this also. The total paragraph got selected. Over here also we can do the same thing. To select the whole line, you will have to press Shift plus End. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Shift, Command and right arrow key, and the whole line got selected. I'll select the first line, Shift plus End, and whole line got selected. Even we can click on the end of the line and can press Shift plus Home. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Shift, Command and left arrow key and the whole line will be selected. Now we will select just a single word and we'll make it bold. From here we can change the color of the font. We can make it italic, even we can underline it. I'll undo this. From here we can change our fonts. In case you want to highlight the text, you will have to select your text and will have to click over here and the text will be highlighted. I'll undo this. From here we can increase the size of the font. It can be done from here also. From here we can decrease the font size. So we just highlighted one word. Now I want to highlight more words over here. I want to highlight video over here also. So we are not going to select color once again. We will double click on our word and over here in left hand side we get option of Format Painter. We will click over here on the Format Painter. Now whatever word we want to paint, we will have to click over there and that word will be formatted. Even the font style got changed, the size got increased, means it just took this thing over here. Now if I'll click anywhere, it will not be formatted. To format multiple words, you will have to select the first word where you have done the formatting. Or you can select this also, because we want this format all over there in the page. So I have selected this. We'll go to Format Painter and we'll double click over here. Earlier we had done single click. Now whatever word I want to highlight, I can do it one by one. But keep in mind, you will have to double click on the word. Only then the words will be highlighted or formatted. To exit Format Painter this time, we will click on Format Painter once again and we will exit. Suppose I have to copy and paste a single word, it can be done very easily. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. But what if I want to copy and paste multiple words? Let's see what can be done. I'll undo this. So we will press Ctrl and we'll double click on the word. And the words will get selected. Means multiple words will get selected whatever we want to copy and paste. Once done, press Ctrl C or Command C. Come to the desired place and press Ctrl V or Command V. To select multiple words, MacBook users will have to press Command and not Ctrl. In case you want to create bullets for this, you will have to select this. We'll have to go to bullets and can select bullet of your choice. And all our words got changed to bullets or pointers. I'll undo this. One more thing in Dictate. Suppose you want to change the language, it can be done very easily. You will have to click over here on the setting and from here you can select your desired language. I'll select Hindi and will do OK. Now whatever I'll say or talk in English, it will be getting typed in Hindi. I'll stop this. We'll go to setting and we'll make it English once again and we'll do it OK. You can select any language of your choice. I'll delete this. Now let's go to design. Over here we get various options of designs. Whatever design suits our need, we can select from here. Over here we get the option of colors and the designs got changed in the color of our choice. Over here we get the option of fonts. So once you will change the font, it will be changed in designs also. Let's close this. Over here we get option of watermark. From here watermark can be inserted. In case you want to insert text as watermark, you will have to click over here on the text You can type text of your choice. Even you can change the color from here. Fonts can be changed. Once done, just decide you want orientation of your watermark as horizontal or diagonal. Currently it's horizontal. I'll select it diagonal and we'll do OK. And my watermark got inserted over here. Even you can increase or decrease transparency of your watermark. I'll undo this. We'll go to watermark. From here we can insert our picture as watermark. Page borders. I'll click over here. In case you want to create borders for your page, you will have to select this. You can select any design of your choice. You can change the color. You can increase or decrease thickness of the lines and do OK. And a border got created for our page or document. We'll go to page borders once again. We will do it none and we'll select an art from here and we'll do OK. So our art got inserted over here. Before inserting the borders, please align your page or select proper margins. I'll undo this. I'll delete all. Now let's see how we can create tables. The shortcut to create tables is plus and after that insert minus signs. Plus, again minus signs, plus, again minus signs. In the end, insert plus and hit enter and our table got created. I'll delete this. Another way to insert tables, go to insert and over here we get the option of tables. You can select as many columns as you want and as many rows as you want and your table will be inserted. From here you can select the table designs. In case you want to change the shading, you'll have to click over here and select the desired color and the shading will be changed. If you want to change the shading of whole table, just click over here on the top left and select the desired color and the color will be totally changed. I'll undo this. We will go to table once again and over here we get the option of insert table. We can select columns or rows as per our choice and we'll have to do OK and our table got inserted. I'll increase the size. I'll put some numbers for example. Now I have to go to next cell. So I'll not click over here. I'll just press tab and I'm in the next cell. 33, tab, 44, tab, 55, tab, 66 and so on. Now we are in the last column. In case you want to come back, you'll have to press shift plus tab and you will be in the very beginning. Means it will go one by one. Shift, tab, back, tab, it will go in right direction. I'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C and will paste in the whole table. Once done, we are not going to press tab or we are not going to hit enter. We will have to press down arrow key and we are outside the table now. Let's see what will happen if we will hit enter. I'm in the last cell, I'll hit enter and the row size is increasing. I'll undo this. We will press down arrow key and we are out of our table now. Now I want to insert a blank row inside my table. I'll click over here and will hit enter and a blank row got inserted. In case I want to insert another row, I'll have to click here once again and will have to hit enter and two blank rows got inserted. I'll undo this. Another way to insert column or rows, I'll click anywhere inside my table. As soon as we will click inside the table, we get the option of layout. I'll click over here and from here we can insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. I'll click insert below and a blank row got inserted. Now I'll click over here, insert above and a blank row got inserted above our text. I'll click over here, insert left and the whole column got inserted. Now I'll click over here, insert right and another blank column got inserted. To delete this, we will click over here and we'll go to delete. We will click on the drop down, delete cells, delete columns, delete rows, delete table. Let's delete columns. We'll click over here, delete columns. In the same way, we can delete our rows also. delete rows, delete rows. In case you want to delete the whole table, you will have to click on delete table and the whole table will be deleted. I'll undo this. On the top of left hand side, we see one button over here. This is our moving handle. In case you want to reposition it, it can be done very easily. In right hand side bottom, we see another small button. This is resize handle. We can resize our table from here. Our text is very small, but our cells are very big. So we want to adjust the numbers as per the cell. We will go to layout and over here we get the option of auto fit. I'll click on the drop down, auto fit content, and the content got auto fitted very properly. I'll click over here once again, auto fit window, and it got adjusted on the whole page. Over here we get the option of split table. I'll click over here and we'll click on split table, and my table got splitted in two parts. One part is over here and the second part is over here. We can see dark black line in the center. In case you want to create design for your tables, you'll have to click inside the table. We'll have to go to table design, and from here you can select designs of your choice. In case you want to shift any specific row on the top, it can be done very easily. We will have to press Alt, Shift plus up arrow key. MacBook users will have to use Control Shift plus up arrow key, and our row got shifted on the top. This can be our top row or header row. In case you want your header row as a single cell, just select this, go to layout and click on merge cells, and it became a single cell. Now whatever you want to type, you can. In case you want to take this in center, just select this, go to home and click on center alignment, and it will come to the center. Let's go to layout. I'll delete some data from here. In case you want to split some cell, you will have to click inside the cell and will have to go in the center. Over here we get the option of split cell. I'll click over here. Number of columns 1, number of rows 1. I'll do OK. And our cell got divided in two parts. Means two columns got created. Now I'll click over here. We'll go to split once again. This time I'll do number of columns as 1 and number of rows as 2. And we'll do OK. So our cell got divided in two rows or got splitted in two rows and over here in two columns. In case you want to split more, you can go over here and select the number of your choice and do OK. And it got divided in various columns. Means we can split our columns as well as rows. From here we can adjust the size, and from here we can adjust the width. I'll undo this. Let me delete this. Now we will talk about a very interesting part of Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to send notice or any type of invitation to a group of people. The group may be of 5, 10, 50, 100 or more than that. And on top of each invitation, you want to put details like name, father's name, roll number or employee ID and so on. So this can be done very easily through mail merge feature in Microsoft Word or MS Word. I'll create an invitation plus or equal to rand bracket open bracket close and I'll hit enter. So my invitation got created. I'll give some space over here. For mail merge, you will need a data. I have already created my data in MS Excel file. I'll show you how it looks. I want to send my invitation to these students. So name is over here, father's name, class, roll number. Let's see how we can send bulk invitation cards. I'll go to my Word file once again. On the top, I want name, father's name, roll number, class. In case you want to insert more data, it can be done very easily in the same process. I'll take this up. Now we have to go in mailing tab. Over here we get option of labels. We have to click over here and we have to do OK. A blank page will open. We will close this. Don't save. And we are on the first page now. Now we will go to start mail merge. Here we will select labels, half letter and we will do OK. We will cancel this. We will close this. Now we will go to select recipients. And from here we will select use an existing list. Our list is over here. We will select this and we'll click on open. We'll do yes. Okay. We will close this. Over here in the center, we get the option of insert merge field. We will click on the drop down and all the details are over here. So we will click just in front of name. We'll go to insert merge field and we'll select name from here. Father's name. We'll click on the drop down. Father's name. Roll number. We'll click on the drop down. Roll number. Class. From here we will select class. We will close this. Now we will preview this. So name of the first student got inserted. From here we can check the details of all the students. Once you are done with this, go to right hand side. Over here you get the option of finish and merge. Just click on the drop down. Edit individual documents. We will click over here. An invitation card of 15 students got created. Student number 2, student number 3, and so on. So in this way you can create bulk ID cards, bulk mark sheet or bulk invitation cards. I'll close this. I'll delete this. Now I want to insert header and footer to my page. I'll make this small. To insert headers, you can double click on the top and headers will be inserted. You can type anything of your choice. Once done, click on the page and header got inserted. You can insert header or footer from insert also. Insert. Over here we get the option of headers. Many designs are over here. You can select any design of your choice. The matter or title can be changed. The date can be changed. Once done, click on the page and your header is ready now. In the same way you can insert your footer too. Over here we get more designs. You can put page numbers. Now we will see word art. I'll select a word art from here. Your text here. I'll type office monk. We will go to home and we'll increase the size. In case we want to change the color, it can be done very easily. In case you want to change the font style, it can be done. I'll undo this. I'll delete all. Now we will go to insert. Over here we get the option of pictures, shapes, icons and 3D models. I'll click on picture from file. I'll select a picture from here and my picture got inserted. One thing to notice over here, in case I want to resize it, it can be done very easily. But if I want to reposition the picture, I'm not able to do it. So you'll have to click on the picture, right click the mouse, go to wrap text and select in front of text from here. Now picture can be repositioned or resized very easily. So in this way, you can insert any picture of your choice on the document. Insert shapes. From here we can insert any shape of our choice. We will have to click on the shape. Then we will have to click on our page and the shape got inserted. In case you want to change this shape, come to the left side, change shape and select the desired shape once again. In case you want to change the color, go to shape fill and select the desired color and the color got changed. Even the outline can be changed. Even the weight of outline can be increased or decreased from here. The color can be changed. In case you want to insert any text inside the shape, right click the mouse, add text and type whatever you want to. Go to home, increase the font size, change the font style. We can reposition it as per our choice or as per the requirement. Insert icons and we got our icons over here. We can select any icon of our choice and can insert it. We are not able to reposition this, so we will have to right click the mouse, wrap text in front of text and now we can reposition it. In case you want to change the color, go to graphics format and change the color from here. Now we will see 3D models. Stock 3D models. All animated models. I'll select something from here. I'll select this dog and we'll click on insert. To use this feature, your internet should be active. I'll reposition this. In case you want, you can increase the size. And your 3D model is looking very nice. I'll resize this and we'll put it over here. insert, media from file, and I'll insert a video over here. Insert. And my video got inserted in my page. I can resize this. If I change orientation of the page, I'll close this. I can make it even bigger. To play, I'll have to double click over here and my video got started. I'll stop this. So mostly all the things of MS Word got covered. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.